to my channel. Today's video is going to be a challenge that I am doing where I do my makeup with my non-dominant hand. I'm primarily a lefty. I do everything major with my left hand. At work, when I count pills, I count with my left hand, I write with my left hand, I eat with my left hand. If I was going to throw a ball or a punch, maybe, I would do it with my right hand, which is odd, I know. But primarily, I am definitely a lefty. So I'm just going to jump right in, and I'm going to use some of this NYX Shine Killer on my face because I am feeling a little oily today for some reason. And I'm just going to do it in all of my problem areas. And I'm just gonna kind of jump right into this tutorial. And I forgot a freaking beauty blender, so I'm gonna have to use a brush to do my foundation. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick in the color 115. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started with that. This isn't one of my favorite foundations. I guess I never really gave it a big shot. So I decided that for this, seeing as how I'm probably going to really botch my face and just wind up washing it all off, I'm going to use it today. And I'm just going to go in with my Real Techniques face brush and just kind of blend all of that out. Oh my god, this feels really weird. It's going to be so hard to not use my left hand, just out of habit. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda Marie, and this is my YouTube channel. I upload videos 2 to 3 times a week. I try to do 3, usually it's 2. And you can follow me on all my other social media. I have a regular Facebook and a Facebook business page. My regular Facebook is Amanda Walden / McGill. My Facebook page is Amanda Marie's Beauty Box, and my Instagram is Amanda MCGMUE. And I'll obviously link all of those below. So it looks like I have pretty much spread that out. So I'm going to go in with the Fit Me. It's not so much the foundation and concealer that I'm worried about as much as like my eyebrows and eyeliner. Maybe we'll just skip eyeliner. Probably won't just skip eyeliner because what's the fun in that? I'm going to have to blend this in with my fingers a little bit. So I watched a few people do, I think Nikki Tutorials was one, and then a couple other people that I don't normally follow. I watched do this tutorial, and it was pretty hysterical, I must say. I'm actually not doing as bad as it does feel weird, but I'm not doing as bad as I thought it would be. Okay, so I'm going to go in and set that with my Urban Decay powder. If I can open the freaking container. So to highlight and contour, I'm going to go in with my Pure Cosmetics Sculptor palette. I got this in my BoxyCharm. I'm using my left hand. I'm cheating. I cheated. Oh my god. This is so rough. Oh god. me blend that out. Oh my goodness. And a little bit down here. Okay. For blush, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Ombre blush. And my Real Techniques powder brush. I love this for, I know it's not a blush brush, but I love it for blush. Okay. Notice I'm saving all the difficult areas for last. And for highlight, I'm going to use that same Pure Cosmetics and just go right in. Alright, I guess I can't avoid the eyebrows anymore. I can't even hold it. Oh my god. Okay, brow gel. Oh my god. It's a little thick, but not too bad, I guess. So now I'm going to put some eye primer on. This is the e.l.f. eye primer. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend that out. And then I'm going to set that with my Urban Decay. Okay, so I'm just going to do a really simple eyeshadow, and I'm actually going to just use a bronzer and just a blending brush, just an easy look. This is so weird. Okay. I do this a lot in the summer when I don't want to do like a full eye look. I just kind of do bronzer and then I'll put a little bit of highlighter on my lid. Not too, it's so habit to just go in. Okay, there we go, my eyes are done. And now I'm gonna do eyeliner. That's not eyeliner. That's not eyeliner at all. I know I brought it though. Liquid eyeliner at that. So I'm just gonna go, I don't know how to hold it. got it on my lid. Yeah, that's horrible. Also horrible. Put a little bit on my waterline. Try not to poke my eye out. Okay, alright, so that wasn't too bad. I'm like shaking. Okay. Piece of cake. Throw some mascara on and then some lipstick and be done with this. Okay. And then I'm going to use ColourPop's, and then I'm going to use ColourPop Champagne Mommy as a gloss. There we go. I did it. That's it. That wasn't too bad at all. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys again really soon. Love you guys. Bye.